Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be giving you guys a 2025 Christmas haul. Of course, I'm grateful for everything I got, and I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas. And anyways, let's just get started. This first section we're going to start off with is clothes. So I'm going to start with like the smaller stuff and then get bigger. We have these pairs of socks, and I'm actually wearing one right now. These Snoopy like sweater socks, super comfy and good for wearing with Uggs or like any sort of boots. And then I got these little Hello Kitty socks, and then I got another sweater sock that came with the sock I'm wearing right now, and it's the, what's his name, Woodstock, and from Snoopy in a hot air balloon. Super cute and neutral. And then these Mickey socks. Moving on, we got this shirt, and I feel like this is giving like graduation party season, so I'll probably wear it during that kind of time, like summer, spring, you know, so that's super cute. And then I got this navy, it looks black, like it's a dark navy, but I'm wearing navy right now, and you can see it's like an even darker navy, this H&M shirt, and it's just this fitted long sleeve. I forgot to mention, my whole outfit I'm wearing right now is from Christmas. So I got this Hollister mock neck, and I just got like leggings. I'm just gonna like stand up my chair. And then I have these two plain Brandy Melville tees, and this is just the plain white one. Good basic, because I've been needing a white basic shirt because mine is too small. And then this super cute light yellow one. And then I got the Old Navy quarter zip, which you might have seen on TikTok if you're on like the kind of fashion side of TikTok, I guess. Not even like crazy fashion, but you know, just like the basic side of TikTok. And yeah, it honestly smells like so weird because it was shipped, I think. No, it wasn't. But it smells like not okay, but it's okay because we're gonna get it washed. So I got these brown sweatpants that I specifically asked for with like, it has like a heart pocket. Oh yeah, it is a pocket on the butt, and it's just these brown wide leg sweatpants from Hollister. I got these Target wide leg sweatpants as well. I think I'm gonna return this to get a size smaller because it runs big and it's like very wide leg. I tried it on earlier, but the pattern is super cute, and yeah, hopefully they have a smaller size when I try and exchange it at Target. And then one of my favorite gifts from the clothes category is this matching Victoria's Secret PJ kind of set. So I got these super cute Victoria's Secret angel slippers, and then I got the matching robe, which is actually like a surprise gift that I got because my family has this little tradition we like recently started where my mom hides around some gifts in the house and we look for them, and this was one of them, and it's like a matching robe, and I've been wanting a new robe, and I said this one was cute on like Black Friday when I went shopping with my mom, so I'm super excited about this. My room is so hot, I'm like sweating right now. On to the next section, we have, it's kind of a small section, but it's these Sonny Angels, and one of these I actually bought for myself, but it was really recent, so I thought might as well include it in this section. It's this vegetable series Sonny Angel, and if you don't know what Sonny Angels are, it's like these little babies, and I got this one, but with its leg crossed, the tomato Sonny Angel. I wanted one to like put on the top of my vanity mirror, and if you've seen my shorts, you've seen my Get Ready With Me's, and oh, it's right here. It's just like a cute little baby, and then it has the butt and the wings, and I think it's cute. And its flat stomach is for you to like put it somewhere so you just like see the face. And then my mom got me these two as well from the Animals collection, the Animal 3 collection. I got the French Bulldog for the first one, super cute. And I don't think this one is real. I don't know if they're supposed to have a painted like white wings. I think they are. But since these are like my first few Sonny Angels, I don't actually know. But these boxes are also shiny and this one's matte, so I don't know if that's like an indicator that these are fake or what. But either way, I think this is cute. So I got, oh, even the hands like aren't flat. This definitely isn't real. That's okay. But a French Bulldog. The other one I got is this white snake one that's honestly kind of strange looking, but that's okay. We'll show it anyway. It looks like an ice cream scoop. Like, I feel like I could paint it and just make it like a cute ice cream scoop, to be honest. And yeah, its cheeks are like extra red, I feel. And the hands are also kind of slanted. And the wings aren't white, so this is probably fake, but that's okay. Now for the next section, we have bags. And this first one is like a makeup bag or like a skincare bag. You could really use it for whatever, even like coloring supplies, but I was thinking like a travel makeup bag. I've always wanted one of these, so super excited to get one because it holds so much stuff. It's so big and you can kind of just like throw whatever you want in there. So this is nice to have. And it's also super cute pattern, of course. Count how many times I'm gonna say cute in this video. It's gonna be a lot. I need to like expand my vocabulary, but anyways, we have this little Nike bag, little shoulder bag, and I feel like this will be perfect for show choir competitions to just carry around with like my money and my phone. And then finally, for like my actual like carry around bag for like every day, I got this black shoulder bag. Show a little preview. Very cutesy, very demure. But yeah, and the inside is also nice. And it came with this extra chain if I wanted to like make it look bougie and like make the handle longer, like an actual crossbody bag instead of just a shoulder bag. But I'll probably keep it as a shoulder bag most of the time because that's why I wanted it. I wanted to get a cute, simple black shoulder bag. Now for the jewelry section, this bracelet I got from my sister. I said I liked it at Gap and she just got it. And this is one of my presents. Very cute. All of these earrings I'm wearing right now are from Christmas. There's this heart crystal one and then these two hoops. And I got even more hoops from my sister. This thing is so weird to open. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but like, it's this clear plastic like film, like that encases your earrings and you can like store them in there without them getting everywhere, but it's like hard to open. So I'm just gonna show you guys like this. We have these bigger hoops and these smaller hoops and just like ones to fill up my little stack of earrings I got going on. I also got these Aeropostale earrings. This one's Aeropostale from the same pack that my mom gave me. These were also part of the pack. You can't really see them. Wait. They're like these double crossed hoops with like little crystals. And then I got this cute dangly one, just like a chain. Simple, but goes with a lot of things. And you can like dress it up or dress it down. That is the jewelry section. Now we have two small sections. So the first is hair, and I got this little set of brushes, a mirror, and like this claw clip to like separate hair in sections. But this is super nice to have, and I've always wanted one of these to like kind of blow out my hair. And then I got this leave-in hair mask, which I've also been wanting to incorporate like a hair mask into my routine. Not hair mask, oh, it is a hair mask, but it's like kind of a leave-in conditioner kind of thing. So I've been wanting one of these and it smells really good, so that's a plus. The next category is just like scents and like body care, and I got this Rose Garden Cherry scented bath bomb. It smells really good, and I usually don't like love floral scents, but this smells really good. I think it's the cherry. And then I got this little In the Stars Bath and Body Works set. It comes with one of the gingerbread men, and I already have the boy one. I don't know if you can see it, but I have one like back there on my desk. I'm not gonna go get it, but I got the girl one to go with it, which is actually perfect. Super cute little decoration, and I love gingerbread men and like snowmen. So that is perfect to decorate my room for next Christmas. And then I got the perfume of In the Stars, which is a good scent. I like the scent. A little hand sanitizer to throw in my purse. Two things I almost forgot to include. I got this Good Girl Carolina Herrera perfume, which I've actually heard of before. I'm not super into like fancy perfumes, but this one smells really good. And I got it in this saran wrap ball game. I don't know if you guys have played it before, but it's like this big ball of saran wrap that's covered in like a bunch of like little gifts. Like this was in it and this was in it and like candy and stuff. and you have to find the starting of the saran wrap and like tear it up as someone else next to you is rolling a dice, and when they get doubles you switch, so then they have the saran wrap ball and they try to unwrap it so they get stuff that falls out. It's hard to explain, but if you played it, you know it's fun, and that's where I got this, as well as the bath bomb. And then finally I got this Fresh and Clean pink body mist, and this smells so good. I wore it today. It's just like the perfect amount of like fresh, but also just like smell good. I don't know, but it's good. And then we have the miscellaneous category, the random stuff that I couldn't fit into anything. And starting off strong, we have this pig flashlight that like oinks. I thought this would be perfect to put on my keys, and it also could be like helpful if I ever need a flashlight, because it actually is like a pretty strong flashlight for how small it is, and it's cute and just a fun thing to have. Then I got this little glass clear bottle to make fun drinks in, and I've been wanting one of these for a while, so I was also really excited about this. It's like something simple, but I've been wanting it for a while, so I'm really excited about. I think it'll be fun to make cute drinks in, and just like, I don't know, it's just aesthetic. For my seminary teacher, I got this mini Jenga. Super fun. I actually played this with my sister like last night at like 2 a.m. Anyway, more like 3, but that's besides the point. Then I got these highlighters, all this like, what's it called? I don't know what it's called. There's a word for it. Not craft supplies, but another word for craft supplies. Why can I not think of it? I don't know, but I got all these highlighters and pens, and I've been wanting some like more nice colored highlighters for a while now, because mine are like running low on ink because I use them so much. So this will be perfect for school and also for just drawing like fun things with these pens, and it'll be perfect for next semester when we're going to be locking in second semester junior year. Quite rough, but it's okay. And then we have this cutesy strawberry cow keychain. And I was thinking maybe I'll put it on like the front of my car to replace my gingerbread I have up right now. It's so soft and just adorable. Love. And then I got a phone case. This isn't the actual phone case. This is my old phone case, and I'm using the phone case right now, but it's this white phone case with black polka dots. And then another little category we have is, this kind of goes along with miscellaneous. This is all the stuff I got in this saran wrap ball game, and plus some stuff my grandma gave me. First I got this little panda, adorable. Then we got for my grandma these cream-filled wafer rolls, cookies and cream. This actually sounds so bus. I'm excited to eat this. And the tin is cute. Everything smells like mint in here because there's this mint Orbit gum, which is also just good to have in my bag. Got a mini deodorant, which is actually perfect to just carry around for school. I got these adorable little bear. I don't know if it's a pen. No, it's a mechanical pencil. And you can like take them apart, and it like works the mechanical pencil throughout. You can just use the different colors. I'm not going to take it apart, but yeah, super cute. And finally, for the last section, it is makeup. And if you already saw my Get Ready With Me for Christmas, then you might have seen some of these, but there are a few things I didn't show. So starting off strong, we got this Makeup by Mario blush in the shade Pinch Me Pink. I just wanted to have like a nice pink blush because I have a lot of orangey, peachy blushes, and I thought it'd be good to have just a pretty pink one. I've been wanting to try this Makeup by Mario one, so this is perfect, and I'll let you guys know if it's good I'll show me using it sometime in a future Get Ready With Me. And then we got this little brown Alley Oop lip balm. I'm gonna put it on right now because I wanted to put on a lip balm, and I haven't tried this one yet, so we'll try it right now. The applicator is like nice and squishy like the Summer Fridays. Oh, that's pigmented. It smells like Burt's Bees lip balm. Okay, that was a lot more pigmented than I thought it was gonna be, but I think it's cute. And you can't really see the color that well in this lighting, but it's like just a nice reddish brown. Then we got this Rhode stuff. I got the Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment in Salty Tan, which you can see me using in my Christmas Get Ready With Me, and as well with these. You can see that in my Christmas Get Ready With Me short. And this is the Glazing Mist, and then we have the Glazing Milk. If you want to see more of that, you can watch that short. And then we got this e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil, which is like my jam. I love this stuff. And the shade Burst Bubble is one of their newer shades, and it's this pretty like warm pink shade. And it's also plumping, which I did not know they made plumping lip oils now, but I guess I'm just behind. I feel like I haven't been knowing what are the new releases and stuff, but if this doesn't show you that like I love the e.l.f. lip oil, I really do. This is my third, by the way, of the e.l.f. lip oil and jam session. This is my go-to lip product. And then last but not least for this Christmas haul, I have this Laneige gift set of these 3 mini lip masks and these 2 mini lip glow reviver balms. And this is like a pack I've been wanting for a while too, so I was excited to get this because they always have like cute packs and like travel size stuff, Laneige, I feel. So I was excited to get this and try more Laneige stuff because I've only ever had their purple lip sleeping mask, which I really liked, but I used all of it up, so it's gone. It also came with these samples of their Water Bank moisturizer and their cream skin toner. So that is super fun. I'll definitely be using these sometime. And the actual gift, here it is. We got this vanilla lip balm, sweet candy lip balm, chocolate lip sleeping mask, eggnog latte sleeping mask, caramel lip sleeping mask. And I love this stuff, so I'm really excited to have it again because I've just been using Aquaphor to go to bed right now, which is fine, but like this is bougie and I like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below and check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye!